Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to generate images using Google Studio. Here you can go and type Google AI Studio. So this one is the official website. You can go here and then click on Got It. So the first option, try Nano Banana. Click here. Now here you can type whatever you want. For example, generate logo for Enable Website Design. That is web design company. After that, click on Run button. Now within few seconds, it will generate a professional image. Here you can see we got one image. So after that, you can easily download the image by clicking here.